everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I'm excited to share a product that promises salon-quality nails without the mess, the time, or the hassle. The Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the vibrant, bold, no other design. These nails come in a Squoval shape, are in a stunning red, and are the perfect choice for anyone looking for a quick and durable mani at home. Let's get into whether these press-on nails live up to the hype. First impressions. When I first saw the packaging, I was immediately impressed by how sleek and user-friendly it looked. Inside, you get 30 nails in various sizes, a prep pad, a mini file, a cuticle stick, and of course, the instructions. It's a pretty well-rounded kit for a DIY manicure, especially for someone like me who's never been the best at doing nails, but still loves the look of a professional finish. Product features and design. These press-on nails come with PureFit Technology, which is basically Kiss's take on creating a thinner, more comfortable fit for your nails. The idea here is that the nails feel natural and snug without that fake bulky look some press-ons tend to have. And I'm pleased to say, they truly do. The Squoval shape is flattering and wearable, and the color, a deep, rich red, is both classic and bold. They also come with super hold adhesive, which is key here. No glue is needed and there's no drying time, just press them on and you're good to go. No mess, no fuss. Real-world testing and usage. I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first. Press-on nails are often hit or miss, and I've tried a few that didn't stick well or peeled off too quickly. But with Kiss imPRESS, I was actually surprised by how strong the bond felt. After applying them, I was able to go about my day, typing, cooking, even cleaning without any issues. They held up beautifully, and I could even feel how securely they were in place. The application was super easy, especially since the kit includes everything you need to prep your nails. I used the prep pad first to clean my nails, then sized each press-on nail to ensure a perfect fit, which took only a few minutes. After pressing them on, they adhered almost instantly. Removal was just as easy, no scraping or soaking required. Let's break it down. Pros: comfortable fit. The PureFit technology lives up to its promise. These nails don't feel bulky at all and fit well. Durable. The Super Hold adhesive is legit. I wore them for a full week with no lifting or chips. Easy application. With the prep pad, mini file, and cuticle stick, you get a full professional setup without leaving the house. Time saving. No waiting for glue to dry, no mess, just fast, easy, and good-looking nails. Cons. Limited customization. While the design is stunning, if you're looking for more intricate or unique designs, you may need to look elsewhere. Not reusable. Once you remove them, they aren't meant to be reused, which makes them less sustainable than some alternatives. Value for money. At a reasonable price, I think these nails offer good value for money, especially for anyone looking for a quick DIY manicure. Considering how long-lasting they are and how easy they are to apply, it's a great option for anyone who wants a professional look without the salon price tag. While the nails aren't reusable, the convenience and durability justify the price in my opinion. Comparisons. Compared to other press-on nails I've tried, these Kiss imPRESS nails definitely have the edge when it comes to comfort and staying power. Other brands might offer similar designs, but the PureFit technology makes a noticeable difference in wearability. Plus, the fact that they don't require glue makes them stand out from some of the other press-ons out there. Build quality and longevity. The quality of these nails is impressive. They're sturdy, the adhesive is strong, and the finish holds up well over time. Whether you wear them for a special occasion or for everyday use, they'll last without chipping or peeling. Final verdict. If you're looking for a simple, quick, and effective way to get a gorgeous manicure at home, Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails are definitely worth a try. They're comfortable, easy to apply, and incredibly durable. I love how seamlessly they fit into my routine, especially when I need something that looks good without the effort of a traditional manicure. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. End of video engagement. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in picking up a set for yourself, I'll leave the link to purchase down below in the description or comments. And if you've already tried these press-on nails, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. What's your experience with them? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.